Hello, you're looking at my Toyota Rav4. It's a 2020 model, and today I'm going to show you the best way to find the correct tyre pressure for this car. Now the best way is to open the driver's door. This is a right-hand drive, so it's the right hand is the driver's door, and there's a steering wheel there on the right hand side, and go to the pillar in between the front and back seats, and just go down the pillar until you get to the tyre pressure sticker. So you can see there on that tyre pressure sticker you've got the tyre size first of all, which is 225/65 R17, and you can actually find that printed on the side wall of the tyres. And then over on the right hand side in those two columns, there's a little arrow pointing downwards from the back and front tyres. You can see 230, which is kilopascals, and then 2.3, which is bar, and then the 33 is in PSI. So there we go, there's the tyre pressure for this car. It's conveniently located on the tyre pressure sticker, so you know exactly the correct pressure to put in the tyres on this car. Now don't worry about the T165/80D17 section, as this refers to the spare tyre, which has a much higher tyre pressure than the regular tyres on this car. So don't get confused about this extra pressure section. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.